Hi there. Let us learn about division. Division is easy to understand once the basic idea behind it is understood well. Let us start with 4 divided by 2. What does this mean? This just indicates we have to split 4 into groups having 2 each. Consider this example. We have 4 stars and we want to divide them by 2. That means we have to make groups having 2 stars each, not more or not less. Star 1 and star 2 form a group. Similarly, star 3 and 4 form another group. Now, we don't have any more stars left to make another group. How many groups of 2 did we make? It's 2 groups. Hence 4 divided by 2 is 2. Let us take another example, 5 divided by 2. Again, let us visualize using the stars example. Now we have 5 stars and we need to make groups of 2 each. Remember, each group should have exactly 2 stars, not more or not less. Only then we can call it a proper group. Okay, let us group now. Stars 1 and 2 form group 1. And stars 3 and 4 form group 2. We now have 1 star left. Can we group it? No, we cannot. Because there is only 1 left and we need 2 to make a group. So 5 divided by 2 is 2. And we have 1 star left. Let us now give formal terms to denote these. The total groups we could make is known as quotient. And the left out ones is termed remainder. Hope you have now understood the concept behind division. What if it was 6 divided by 3? Simple, you need to make a group with 3, that is all. Again, what about 8 divided by 4? The number of items to be grouped to form a group is 4. And we can form 2 groups. Hence 8 divided by 4 is 2. Thank you.